Hello, my wonderful people. I am back again with another quick recipe. So today we are going to be making spinach with onions. This spinach recipe, it's a bomb. You're gonna like it. So the ingredient we're gonna need: fresh baby spinach, salted butter, one can of tuna, pepper, salt, and which other spice or herb you would like to add. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my butter in the pot. Do you see that? Yes. Let it melt. After it melts, add some onions, add some sliced onions, and then we're going to stir it together and saute it in the butter for 2 minutes. Then after that, we're going to add all our spice. So I'm going to add my red crushed pepper, my garlic salt, and my clove, grounded clove. Okay, so after that, we're going to mix everything together. Oh yeah, this is getting real right. I love this. Look at that. So after we saute the onions, we're going to add our fresh spinach. Make sure you wash your spinach before you cook it. Okay, make sure you wash it thoroughly. So we're going to add our spinach, and then we're going to you know add our tuna. So I added one can of tuna. Then we stir everything together. Look at that. Isn't that yummy? That looks so yummy. I love it. And it's healthy, so anybody can make this. It is quick, fast, and easy. So that's one of the reasons why I love it. It's one of my go-to um recipe. So you see that we're going to cover it and leave it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes this is what we got. So I added, once it's done, I added Italian seasoning. That's one of the herb I love as well. So, and this is it. This is what we got. I love it so much. This looks so yummy. Make sure to try it and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.